Now I'm gonna use. I feel like I'm kind of stupid. Anyway, I don't know why I wasn't talking, and I felt like I was going to do a voiceover, but I don't want to hear my voice. I don't want to keep on hearing my voice, like keep on playing over and make sure I ain't sound stupid. Anyway, I'm going to use the lace melt by a brand that we do not speak of. In my defense, I already had this. I had this for a minute. I'm just now using it just to try it out. But anyway, yeah. Okay, so this wig is $250. Venti. Let's get into it. Whatever. Let me turn around. Don't mind my room. I'm at my in-laws' house. My husband's military. He's about to move to Germany, so he's doing training in Virginia. So I have to come here while he trains Virginia. So it's cluttered in here. That's why all that shit and everything's in the background, whatever. But yeah. But look. So yeah. I'm standing so close to the camera because literally I have my phone, my ring light, and I got this light that I'm using to hold my phone up because my kids broke like whatever. As soon as I open the ring light, I didn't get to use the phone holder thing because my kids want to be touching shit that's not theirs. But anyway, yeah. Nevertheless, I'm about to just party down the middle. I'm not a hairstyle type of girly. I'm more of a simple, plain Jane. Put a wig on, cut it up, and be out here looking good. I don't need to do all that extra styling shit. Listen, I lay lace, and that's what that matters. Period. So now I'm just gonna take the hot comb and just do this. I added some makeup in the part because I don't want to pluck the part because I might want to change it or something. And you know, once you pluck the part, I don't have time to be doing all that extra moving, da. So yeah. So I just applied this, and let's see how it looks straight in because I don't know. I can't find my eyebrow razor, so I'm just gonna wing it. I'm gonna try to wing it. I usually spray it again, but what kind of cutting am I doing? I'm gonna cut that shit off like that. I shouldn't have did that. Alright, hold on. Damn, I really can't find my wire. I'm gonna have to use this shit. I'm gonna have to hold on. I add some more of that stuff from the brand that we do not speak of. And I'm going to lay it down. So the lace is like right here. So let me just you won't see the brand, but yeah. Wherever I'm applying it, that's where the lace is at. And no, I didn't put no makeup, no nothing. It's literally just a wet lace. What?